Leveraging your network. You are encircled by a network of connections, whether you know it or not, that can influence your destiny, open opportunities, and offer assistance. It is time to use these connections to your advantage and succeed. Start with the people you are familiar with. In addition to being people you see in lectures and at school functions, your professors, alumni, and classmates could also be future coworkers, mentors, and collaborators. Attend office hours, take part in alumni events, and participate in class discussions. These contacts may result in suggestions for internships, research opportunities, or insightful guidance regarding your area of interest. Never undervalue the significance of informational interviews. Speak with experts in industries in which you are interested, including former students. The majority of people are happy to give their ideas and are happy to be questioned about their job. These discussions can occasionally result in unforeseen opportunities and offer priceless advice. Use social media, but exercise caution when doing so. Use LinkedIn to stay in touch with former students, join student organizations, and follow businesses that pique your interest. Engage with articles related to your field and share insightful posts about your studies or internships. Keep in mind that your professional identity extends to your online presence. Networking is about forming relationships that benefit both parties, not simply about what they can do for you. Seek opportunities to lend a hand to others, whether it is through introducing yourself, sharing an item that is pertinent, or volunteering your expertise. Using this reciprocal strategy will strengthen your network. Remember that your network is an evolving, living entity. Throughout your college years and beyond, take care of it. By making the most of these relationships, you are not only positioning yourself for professional success but also creating a network of people who will encourage and support you in the years to come.